welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So yes, once again I am going out with my daughter and my husband. Actually, this was not a planned day, to be very honest with you, but then just we were sitting at home and we were really bored, and yes, then we thought of just going out. I don't know what we'll do. We might go to a mall because, you know, as you know, my daughter has vacations, so we'll go out mall and go around here and there, because you know what, let me tell you, my elder sister, my big sister, she's going back home, so I'm just planning to buy something. I mean, I'll not buy, maybe not today, but I'll just have a quick look. So if I get something good, then I'll buy, and if I buy, I'll definitely share it with you. And let me quickly share my OTD. So this top is a very nice light, and it's a very nice feel when you wear it. And this is from Hudson Bay, and it has a nice bright color. And my jeans, these are like stretchable. These are from Old Navy, and my shoes as well, these are also from Hudson Bay. And yes, quickly I'll show you my earrings. And yeah, these are I bought it from back home. I think I forgot to show you my jewelry collection. I'm really not sure, I don't remember, but yes. And I'm not wearing anything on the neck because it's hard, and I don't want, like, you know, because of the sweat it starts itching, you know, because I'm a lot of, like, I have allergy issues also as well, so I just try to avoid, because today it seems like a nice weather, but yeah, it's humid, so excuse me. So yes guys, we'll see what we'll do today, and you please stay tuned, and I'll definitely share with you if I get a good deal, and if I have some shopping done. So yes guys, see you later. So guys, yes, as I told you, weather is really good today, so heading towards my car, and I just wanted to check my mailbox. Maybe I'll do that later. So yes guys, catch you later. So guys, we are heading back home, and थोड़ा सा कुछ लिया है. I'll definitely share with you. I have bought something to gift my sister back home. So yes, I'll share that in a couple of minutes. So guys, I received a package from Amazon, because we had ordered for you know, the organizer, the makeup organizer, and we are unboxing that. And this was actually for my daughter, so hope she likes it. So guys, this came in two pieces. So this is one piece, and this another piece. So in this we can put the makeup palettes and the cosmetics, I mean the face powders, and you know, all that stuff. And you know what, the best thing, it came with the mat, and we can always use these mats, but once they are dirty, I think we can wash them, or we can also use the other mats. You know, the one we get, the big one, we can then cut them and use it. So yes, these are three compartments. It has three compartments, and this is, here you can put your, I believe, your lip colors, and then see, there's a space here. You can put your small maybe lipsticks here, and then here you can put your brush if you want, or if you want your lip pencils, lip colors, you know, and eyeliners. So yeah, this looks really good. Yeah, it's amazing. I liked it very much. Very nice. And here also you can put your nail paints and nail colors and all that stuff. So yes, I mean, this looks really good to me. That was not a wrong decision. I liked it, and my daughter liked it as well, because this was specially for her. So yes guys, I hope you like it. Yeah, so guys, I definitely plan to buy for myself as well, because this is for her, and And yes, let me tell you, my daughter is filming this video. So I was helping her in organizing this, and yes, since I really liked it a lot, I think I'll definitely go for myself. I'll buy for myself also. And this is from Amazon. I think I told you, I just forgot. Yeah, but this is from Amazon I ordered, and it came in what, 2 days. I mean, yes, just 2 days. So this was really fast, and free shipping as well. So yes, good deal, not bad at all. So guys, I'll put the link below at the description box, so you can get the details, and if you want, you can also order from Amazon. And yes, and if you need more information and anything more you want to know about it, please do let me know in the comments below. Guys, I'm now finally relaxing. I changed my clothes. So as I told you, it was not decided, but yeah, I was like looking for, you know, buying something to send back home for my sister, my big sister, because she used Fit Me, because I, you know, when I went last time, I took Fit Me cosmetics for her, and it goes really good for her skin type, and she was very happy with the product. So I decided to send again, because my another big sister who lives here, she's going back home. So yes, she'll be carrying this stuff. So I have this Fit Me powder. This is 220 and it's really good. And then the other one I have is a Fit Me foundation, and this is 310. I just want to show you. Okay. And then we have the concealer. This is the number is 30 Cafe. And okay, I have a niece and she likes Bath and Body things really a lot. So whenever even if I carry my stuff, she tries to get it, and I also give it to her, because you know she's just like my daughter. And this one is really good. So I bought pink cashmere body cream, and this one is her mist, body mist. So yes, these two I'm sending for my niece. So yes, as I told you, it's just I just bought quick. It was not planned, but then and you know what, Fit Me was on a very good deal. That's why I just picked it, because normally, I think if I'm not wrong, I used to normally buy for what, $11 or something, but today it was on a special price of $6.97 if I'm not wrong. You know, which is a very good price, and it goes very good. Even I've used these products and these are very good. So yes guys, this was all for today's video, and I hope you liked it. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified with the upcoming videos I have. So yes guys, once again, take care of yourself. Have a great day, great evening. And yes, once again, let me just tell you quickly that sometimes there's a delay in commenting, because you know there's a time difference, because as you all know, I live in Canada. So yes guys, please bear with that, and I really appreciate that you have patience. So yes, I try my best to reply each and every one. And yes, and your constant support is giving me you know a motivation, and I'm really happy for you know that you are supporting me. And please keep supporting me, please liking my videos, and if you have any comments, please do let me know. And you all take care of yourself.